Marie Kondō, a renowned tidying expert, has taken the world by storm with her revolutionary approach to decluttering and organizing. Her best-selling book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, has become an international sensation, inspiring millions to transform their homes and lives. Kondō's unique philosophy, known as the KonMari Method, centers around a simple yet powerful question: does it spark joy? Kondō believes that surrounding ourselves with items that elicit happiness and positive emotions can profoundly impact our well-being. Her passion blossomed into a successful career as a tidying consultant, guiding individuals in reclaiming their homes from clutter. At the heart of the KonMari Method lies the fundamental principle of keeping only those items that spark joy. This concept encourages a deep and personal connection with our belongings, prompting us to assess whether each object brings us genuine happiness. By holding an item and paying attention to our emotional response, we can determine its place in our lives. If it elicits a positive feeling, a spark of joy, it deserves a place in our homes. However, if an item fails to ignite that spark, it's time to bid it farewell with gratitude for its service. This discerning approach allows us to curate a living space filled with items that truly matter, fostering a sense of intentionality and purpose. The impact of the KonMari Method extends far beyond tidy drawers and organized shelves. It's a holistic approach that promises to transform not just our homes, but also our mindsets and overall well-being. By consciously choosing to surround ourselves with joy-sparking items, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for what we have and reduce the desire for more. This shift in perspective can lead to less clutter, more mindful consumption, and a greater sense of contentment. As we let go of items that no longer serve us, we create space for new opportunities and experiences to enter our lives. This mindful approach fosters a sense of intentionality in our interactions with our possessions, leading to a more conscious and fulfilling lifestyle. Marie Kondō's KonMari Method diverges from traditional cleaning methods, urging a shift from a space-centric approach to an object-centric one. Instead of tackling rooms or areas, the KonMari Method encourages individuals to declutter by category. This means gathering all items of a particular type: clothes, books, papers, sentimental items, and miscellaneous items, kimono, before making any decisions. By physically confronting the abundance, we gain a clearer perspective on what we own and can more easily identify what truly sparks joy. Holding each item in our hands, we ask ourselves the pivotal question: does this spark joy? The KonMari Method emphasizes respecting our belongings, even in the act of letting them go. Instead of viewing discarding as a negative action, Kondō encourages us to approach it with gratitude. Each item has served a purpose in our lives, whether it brought us joy in the past or taught us a valuable lesson. By thanking items for their service and bidding them farewell with respect, we cultivate a more mindful and appreciative relationship with our possessions. When we release ourselves from the burden of unnecessary possessions, we create physical and emotional space for new opportunities, experiences, and relationships to enter our lives. Once we've identified the joy-sparking items worthy of remaining in our lives, the KonMari Method provides practical guidance on organizing them effectively. The key is to designate a specific place for everything, ensuring that every item has a home where it belongs. Kondō recommends storing similar items together, creating visual harmony and making it easier to locate what we need. She also advocates for vertical storage, particularly for clothing, which maximizes space and provides a clear view of all items at a glance. This method prevents items from getting lost in the back of drawers or forgotten in the depths of our closets. By assigning a designated space for everything and maintaining a consistent organizational system, we create an environment where tidying up becomes effortless. The KonMari Method takes a unique approach to decluttering, advocating for tackling categories in a specific order. While many organizing methods suggest starting with less emotionally charged areas, Kondō encourages beginning with sentimental items. Sentimental items often hold the most emotional weight, making them the most difficult to assess objectively. By confronting sentimental items head-on, we develop our joy muscle, strengthening our ability to discern what truly sparks joy and what we can let go of. Kondō suggests holding each item, recalling the memories associated with it, and asking ourselves if those memories spark joy in the present moment. If an item evokes positive feelings and adds value to our lives today, we keep it with gratitude. After conquering the often daunting category of sentimental items, we move on to clothes, then books, and finally, papers. Kondō recommends gathering all the clothes in our possession and piling them on the floor. This visual representation of our wardrobe can be eye-opening, highlighting the sheer volume of clothing we often accumulate. We hold each item, asking ourselves the familiar question, does this spark joy? If an item makes us feel confident, stylish, or excited to wear it, it earns a place in our curated wardrobe. If an item is outdated, no longer fits, or simply doesn't resonate with our current style, we thank it for its service and let it go. Books and papers follow a similar process, assessing each item based on its ability to spark joy or serve a practical purpose. Kimono, a Japanese word encompassing miscellaneous items, is often the most challenging category to tackle. This broad category includes kitchenware, electronics, toiletries, tools, linens, and sentimental items that didn't make the cut in the first round. The key to conquering kimono is to break it down into smaller, manageable subcategories. Start with one area, such as the bathroom, and gather all the kimono within that space. Hold each item, assess its ability to spark joy or fulfill a practical need, and make a decision. Organizing kimono effectively involves finding designated storage solutions that work for our individual needs and spaces. Once we've decluttered and organized our belongings, the key to maintaining a tidy and joyful space lies in developing new habits and routines. The KonMari Method is not about achieving a state of perfect order and then never straying from it. It's about creating a sustainable system that integrates seamlessly into our lives. One of the most impactful habits Kondō recommends is resetting the space at the end of each day. This simple act prevents clutter from accumulating and ensures that we start each day with a fresh and inviting space. The KonMari Method emphasizes the importance of daily rituals in maintaining a tidy and joyful home. One of the most effective practices is the resetting ritual, a dedicated time each day to restore order and create a sense of calm. This ritual doesn't require hours of strenuous cleaning, but rather a mindful effort to return items to their designated places. By putting away stray items, wiping down surfaces, and restoring a sense of visual harmony, we create a peaceful sanctuary to retreat to. This daily practice not only prevents clutter from building up, but also reinforces the KonMari principle of a place for everything and everything in its place. Beyond tidying and organizing, the KonMari method encourages a shift in mindset towards our belongings and consumption habits. By consciously choosing to surround ourselves with items that spark joy, we naturally become more mindful of what we bring into our homes. This awareness extends to our shopping habits, prompting us to pause and consider whether a potential purchase will truly enhance our lives. Instead of impulse buys or acquiring items out of obligation, we learn to prioritize quality over quantity. By shifting our focus from acquiring more to appreciating what we have, we cultivate a sense of contentment and gratitude. The impact of the KonMari method extends far beyond our physical spaces. It transforms our relationships and well-being. Decluttering creates a serene environment, bringing peace and clarity to our lives. We become more organized and decisive, and more present in our interactions. Letting go of possessions is liberating, freeing us to embrace new opportunities. The KonMari method, while celebrated for its organizational prowess, offers benefits that extend far beyond tidy drawers and streamlined closets. One of the most profound impacts of embracing the KonMari philosophy is the transformative effect it can have on our mental and emotional well-being. As we consciously curate our surroundings, choosing to surround ourselves only with items that spark joy, a sense of calm washes over us. The visual noise of clutter recedes, replaced by a sense of order and tranquility. This newfound serenity isn't merely aesthetic. It runs much deeper, influencing our emotional state and reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. When our physical space is in order, our minds feel less cluttered, allowing for greater peace and a heightened sense of control over our environment. The benefits of a tidy and organized space extend beyond a sense of calm. They also have a significant impact on our productivity and ability to focus. When our surroundings are free from clutter, our minds are less likely to be distracted by visual chaos. This clarity allows us to better concentrate on the task at hand. Imagine sitting down at a clean desk, free from piles of paper and scattered pens. This visual clarity translates into mental clarity, enabling you to dive into your work with greater focus and efficiency. Perhaps the most profound and lasting impact of the KonMari method is the way it fosters a deeper connection with ourselves. As we declutter and tidy, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. Holding each item, asking if it sparks joy, tunes us into our inner voice. This introspection reveals our passions and what brings genuine happiness. We may rediscover dreams or gain a deeper understanding of what fulfills us. Marie Kondō's KonMari method offers a transformative journey towards a more intentional and joyful life. It challenges conventional notions of tidying, shifting the focus from mindless discarding to mindful cherishing. By keeping only what sparks joy and designating a place for everything, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond our physical spaces. We cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, boost our productivity, and deepen our connection with ourselves. The journey itself is about learning to listen to our inner voice and creating a space that reflects our authentic selves. Embracing the KonMari method is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of self-discovery and mindful living. It's about making conscious choices every day to surround ourselves with what sparks joy and to let go of what no longer serves us. Creating a lifestyle where tidying is not a chore, but a natural extension of our values. Start your tidying journey today and discover the life-changing magic that awaits you.